Chad.Lanz here with Guaranty RV. Welcome. We got here our Heartland product, Sundance 27.3 RL rear living. It's a very nice unit. I'll show you a couple features here on the outside of it. A couple things here. Tons of storage for your generator, your chairs, all your good stuff for when you're going camping. Another cool feature down here, that's where you're going to dump your waste tanks and your shower tanks after you're done, your gray and black. Very easy to use there. And when you get to this unit here, a very strong, nice back bumper. It's got a back tire in case you have a blowout. This is where you're going to hook up your power, your water, your cable, all that stuff when you're at the park. If you come around to the outside here, you've got a nice electric awning, which is going to be a very nice feature. You just push a button and go. Outdoor speakers as well. Another cool feature is you got a nice outdoor plug if you want to plug your Traeger in or whatnot. 6-gallon hot water heater tank. We'll go ahead and show you a couple features on the inside here now. Right here is going to be where you work everything like I showed you outside. Your electric awning and all that good stuff. The nice thing about this one here is you have your rear living, which is nice. You back up to anywhere in your parks. You're going to be able to see the view. You got a couple recliners there. That's awesome. Nice couch there. Great thing about this one is you also have the table that folds down into an extra living area. Big open kitchen. Very homey. Very open. Very nice. You do have a huge sink here, which is very nice to use if you're doing dishes. Whoops. 3-burner stove here, which is going to be very nice if you got 3 things to cook at once, maybe some beans, corn, I don't know. You got an oven there. Microwave up here. Your fridge is going to be a nice fridge there. Your entertainment system, very easy to use, all set up, ready to go. When you come in here, we got a bathroom. We're going to show you that there. We got a nice corner shower. We got a toilet. We got a sink, all that good stuff, medicine cabinet. We'll go up to the front here, the master. Cool thing about this unit here is it's actually a king bed. You don't get that in a lot of the trailers. Very huge, big open area. Nice if you want that extra room. Still got tons of space to keep your clothes. This is Chad.Lanz at Guaranty RV. Thanks for taking some time to hang out with us. Give me a call. I'd love to show you a few more units. 702-249-6264. Thanks. Have a great rest of your day.